X-linked inheritance. In the human cell, there are X chromosome and Y chromosome determine the sex. So these chromosomes are called as sex-linked sex chromosomes, and the genes which are present on these chromosomes are called as sex-linked genes, and due to that genes, the characters develop called as sex-linked inheritance. So in the human cells, there are 46 chromosomes, and in these 46 chromosomes, 44 chromosomes are autosomes. Autosomes means the chromosome decided the body character. Example, the hair, nose, color of eyes, kidney, as well as lungs, etc. All these are autosomes, while there are two chromosomes are sex chromosomes, X and Y chromosomes. In male there are XY both chromosomes present, and in female there are two X chromosomes present. So these two chromosomes only decided the sex, male or female, not these 44, or in which any chromosome cannot decide the sex, but X and Y only decided the sex of the zygote. So X chromosome is larger than the Y chromosome. Y chromosomes are smaller. See here, the Y chromosome is small as compared to X chromosome. So that on the X chromosome there are 800 to 900 genes present, and on the Y chromosome there are 60 to 70 genes present on this Y chromosome, because Y chromosome is small as compared to X chromosomes. So on the X chromosome there are 800 to 900 genes present, and all these genes are not determine the sex, but some genes on the X chromosome also determine the body character. While on the Y chromosome is small, majority of these Y chromosome genes determine the sex, but few genes present on the Y chromosome also determine the body character. So these genes are called as sex-linked genes or Y-linked genes, with the genes present on the Y chromosome called as Y-linked genes, and the genes which is present on the X chromosome called as X-linked genes. In short, we will see the sex-linked inheritance. This is the male. Here we consider only a sex chromosome because autosomes are same in male and female. So we only here consider a sex chromosome. In the male there are XY chromosome, and in the female there are XX chromosomes. Suppose these are the parents, and these parents, male produces two types of sperms, X and Y, and female produces only one type of sperm, X. This is the type, consider type, though both are same, so we consider the single type. Here there are two types, X and Y. So this X and this X come together, it form XX, and XX denoted the female, and when X and Y chromosome come together, Y chromosome determine the male. So the maleness is the genes which is located on the Y chromosome only determine the maleness. So the Y chromosome is called as male chromosome. The genes located on X chromosomes are called as X-linked inheritance. X chromosome present in the male and female. In the female there are two copies of X chromosome present, while in the male there are only one X copies present, but X chromosome present in male and female. So X chromosomes is the larger chromosomes, and there are 800 to 900 genes. Out of these 800 to 900 genes, some genes determine the body character. Example, color blindness. The genes is only located on the X chromosomes, not in autosomes. Hemophilia and eye color in Drosophila. In the color blindness, there are this trait located on X chromosomes. When the genes is recessive, means they are mutated or faulty, the person cannot see green color and red color. So see the pictures, and these pictures there are number is hidden here in this. So normal person can see this image, and there are their numbers, while the colorblind person see this image. So in this first figure there are one number is there, and these numbers colorblind person cannot see here. So colorblind person cannot see or cannot distinguish green and red color. So normal person can identify the number 25 here. While another figure, normal person can see this diagram figure, and in the normal person can see the number, while colorblind person cannot see the number. Here, suppose there are 56 numbers. 56 number is here. So normal person can see this number, but colorblind person cannot see the number. So colorblindness is responsible or inherit from X-linked chromosome. Hemophilia. Hemophilia, in this condition, see there are four conditions. Normal blood vessel is here, and bleeding start here. Suppose the blood vessel rupture and bleeding is started. What happens if hemophilic person blood is not clotting? Blood continue to bleed. Why? In normal person blood clots and bleeding stop. So the hemophilic person, in this person there is a no blood clotting or delay blood clotting takes place. So if in the severe injury hemophilic person may be die. So this hemophilic gene which is responsible for blood clotting is only present on X chromosome, and this X chromosome when in homozygous condition it is present in female, while only in the heterozygous condition or in the heterozygous condition it is present in the male, or it is expressed in the male. Eye color in Drosophila, there are red eye color and white eye colors. So color determining genes is located on the X chromosome. The genes which is located on Y chromosome called as Y-linked inheritance. Example, hypertrichosis. In the hypertrichosis, the hair grown on the ear pinna. This is called as hypertrichosis. It is only seen in male, not seen in female, because in the female there are Y chromosome subsets. So hypertrichosis, this character only transmits from the father to son, not to daughter, because of Y chromosome. Y-linked inheritance. This gene, hypertrichosis, is present on Y chromosome. So the Y chromosome always goes to father to son, not goes in the daughter. So it is inherited from father to son directly. As well as it has its hystrix, the scale on the skin. It has this also. This character also inherit from the father to son. So in the father there are Y chromosome, it inherits to father to son. So it is called as Y-linked inheritance. On the X and Y-linked inheritance, on the X chromosome and Y chromosome, some genes are common on X chromosome and Y chromosome. Example, xeroderma pigmentation gene. This gene is present on X chromosome and also Y chromosome. So this is called as XY linked inheritance. Xeroderma pigmentation. This pigmentation we observe on the face of this child. So it is because the gene is located on X and Y on both chromosomes. So it is called as XY linked genes, and it inherit from both parents. It is called as XY linked inheritance. So the region of XY linked inheritance is here. This region is common in X chromosome and Y chromosome, while this region is only present on the Y chromosomes. The genes which is located on this chromosome is called as cholendric genes, because it is only present on Y chromosomes, and it is only present in the male. Majority of these genes are testis determining genes as well as sex determining genes which are present on this region called as cholendric genes. Chol means only, andric means in the male, cholendric genes. Why? This region is only present on X chromosomes, hemophilia, color blindness, X inactivation center. So this gene is for only presence in the X chromosome. It is not on Y chromosome, and this region only present on the Y chromosome. So X chromosome, the common gene, when the genes which is located on this common part of the chromosome is called as XY linked genes, and only on the Y chromosome called as Y linked, on this part called as X linked. Thank you.